Understanding user interfaces.
User interfaces are the points where humans interact with computers. The two main types in operating systems are command line interfaces, CLI, and graphical user interfaces, GUI. Each offers different ways to give commands and manage tasks. Knowing how they work helps users choose the right tool for their needs.
What is a command line interface, CLI?
A command line interface uses text-based input and output. Users type commands and receive text responses. CLIs are often found in Unix, Linux, and Windows command prompts. They require specific command knowledge, but offer speed and powerful features for advanced users and automation.
What is a graphical user interface, GUI?
A graphical user interface displays windows, icons, menus, and buttons. Users interact with the system using a mouse, touch, or keyboard in a visually intuitive way. GUIs are common in systems like Windows, Mac OS, and many Linux distributions, making computers accessible to a broad range of users.
Comparing CLI and GUI strengths and weaknesses.
CLIs excel in speed, resource efficiency, and automation, but have a steeper learning curve. GUIs are easier to learn and more visually appealing, though they may consume more system resources and sometimes offer less flexibility for complex tasks. The choice depends on user experience and specific needs.
When to use CLI or GUI?
Use a CLI for tasks that require automation, remote access, or precise control, such as server management or software development. Choose a GUI for everyday activities like web browsing, document editing, or managing files visually. Many operating systems let users switch between both for maximum flexibility.